Let's talk about weir doors. Weir doors are the doors that are in the throat of a skimmer. The weir door has a very important function on a pool, and that's to keep the debris that float through the skimmer locked into the skimmer. When the weir door works properly, it will open when the water's being sucked into the skimmer. And as soon as the water's shut off, that weir door will go back to a closed position. This keeps debris from floating back out into the water. The weir door will work something like this. When the water starts sucking, the weir door will open, allowing debris to come in. As the pump shuts off, the weir door will close. You can see here in the water, as I've opened it up, some of the debris has floated back out into the pool. This is what we're trying to prevent. A stuck weir door can cause other problems as well. Those problems could include cavitation at the pump or even loss of prime. One of the first things to check when you lose prime on your pool would be the weir door to see if it's stuck. Last but not least, when you're looking in your skimmer to check and troubleshoot that weir door problem, another thing to look for would be a skimmer basket that might be full of debris or floating objects or leaves.